Welcome back to our channel, where we strive to provide you with valuable information for a healthier and happier life. In today's video, we're going to tackle a topic that affects millions of people around the world: quitting smoking. If you or someone you know is struggling with this habit, stay tuned, because we're going to share some practical tips and strategies to help you quit smoking for good. Before we dive into the tips, let's take a moment to understand why quitting smoking is so important. Smoking is one of the leading causes of preventable deaths worldwide. It increases the risk of various health conditions, including lung cancer, heart disease, and respiratory issues. Not to mention the financial burden it places on smokers and the negative impact it has on their loved ones through secondhand smoke. Quitting smoking can be challenging, but with the right mindset and approach, it's entirely possible. So, let's get started with our tips. Set a quit date. Tip number 1 is to set a quit date. Choose a specific day in the near future that will mark the beginning of your smoke-free journey. Make sure it's a day when you can focus on your goal without any major distractions or stressors. Seek support. Tip number 2 is to seek support. Quitting smoking is easier when you have a strong support system in place. Reach out to your family, friends, or support groups who can offer encouragement and understanding. You can also consider talking to a healthcare professional who can guide you through the process. Identify triggers. Tip number 3 is to identify your triggers. Pay attention to situations, emotions, or activities that make you want to smoke. It could be stress, boredom, or socializing with certain people. By recognizing these triggers, you can develop strategies to cope with them effectively. Replace smoking habits. Tip number 4 is to replace smoking habits with healthier alternatives. Find activities that can distract you from cravings and keep your hands and mind occupied. Exercise, hobbies, or even chewing gum can help divert your attention away from smoking. Make lifestyle changes. Tip number 5 is to make positive lifestyle changes. Focus on improving your overall health by exercising regularly, eating a nutritious diet, and getting enough sleep. These changes will not only support your quit smoking journey but also enhance your overall well-being. Use nicotine replacement therapy. Tip number 6 is to consider nicotine replacement therapy. Nicotine patches, gums, or inhalers can help reduce withdrawal symptoms and cravings. Consult with a healthcare professional to determine which method might be the most suitable for you. Stay positive. Tip number 7, and perhaps the most crucial, is to stay positive. Quitting smoking is a process, and setbacks may happen. Don't be too hard on yourself if you slip up. Instead, focus on the progress you've made and use any slip-ups as learning experiences to reinforce your determination. Congratulations! You've reached the end of our video on how to quit smoking. Remember, quitting smoking is a personal journey, and it may take time and effort. But with the right strategies, support, and mindset, you can break free from this habit and improve your quality of life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who may benefit from it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health-related content.